It's so lovely. It's such a beautiful place to live and everyone's really friendly.
5.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to throw me in the family.
So guys, we are right at the Roker Beach, and you can see this place is so beautiful, it's so beautiful, man. The Roker Beach, also known as Whitburn South, is the closest northern beach to Sunderland. Roker is wide and sandy, with rocks to the north and south, a boating lake, display gardens, and is 15 minutes walk from Seabourn Metro Station. So what's your name?
Rebecca.
Rebecca. So guys, we are right here at Roker Beach, and I met a friend by name Rebecca. You are from Sunderland?
Yeah, I'm from Sunderland.
So how is this place? This is my first time coming here and it's so lovely. What can you tell me about this place?
It's so lovely. It's such a beautiful place to live and everyone's really friendly.
Okay. You come here every day?
I used to. I'm in uni at the moment, so I live in Cornwall in term time and then I'm back home for Christmas. So I used to come down here every day.
So if you come here, what's your normal activity like? What do you do if you come over here?
Go down the beach, go for a little swim, go down the park with my grandparents.
Okay. Oh, that's nice. So what's happening over there? Like a lot of people trek to the other end.
We just go for a nice Sunday walk down the end of the pier and have a little look around and then come back.
So guys, I can see a lot of people are fishing in this place. Roker is a tourist resort and affluent area of Sunderland, northeast England. It is bounded on the south by River Wear and Monk Wear Mouth. The majority of the houses in Roker are terraced or semi-detached and are mainly owned by members of sizable elderly population. And they are exclusive apartments and hotels which overlook the seafront. So guys, I've made it to the last point. You can see this. Wow, this is beautiful. This is lovely. So let's climb up and see what the place looks like. Wow. This is so nice. Wow. I love the atmosphere. Yeah, so this is Matthew.
Yeah.
Matthew, how are you finding this place?
Yeah, it's lovely, with cool weather. The weather is sunny.
The weather is sunny, yeah.
So it's cool.
So is this your first time here?
Yeah, my first time here, and it's nice. It's nice. It's just a pity, the place looks scanty, kind of.
Yeah, it's because of coronavirus.
Yeah, I think so.
So what can you say about this place?
I would love to be here again, probably when the lockdown is over, just to see, see how more lively it could actually be.
Yeah.
So.
I think if you come back next time, you have to trek down to that place.
Yeah, I was told.
Can you see?
The gate is locked.
Yeah.
So probably next time, once it's open, I'll try and make sure I get there.
All right. Enjoy your time.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, bye.
All right, let's go.
So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Roker Beach and Seabourn Beach are the two most popular beaches around Sunderland, and it is just a stone throw from each other. So guys, I have a whole lot of fun today, and I'm heading home right now because we are already tired. So guys, I just came back home right now. I'm going to end the video here. So thank you so much for watching the video. Do well to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will definitely see you guys for the next one. Peace out.